Part 4, Ranga's marriage. So we have seen that how he manipulates the situation. He calls Ratna and she's singing. He make her sing the song, and then he calls for Ranga. And when he saw that Ranga is impressed with Ratna and her singing, he makes much of the situation. I went to our Shastri the next morning and told him, keep everything ready to read the stars. I'll come later. I tutored him in all that I wanted him to say. And then he went to his astrologer, his friend Shastri, and he told him to keep ready everything. And he also instructed him. Tutored means instructed him कि उसे क्या कहना है. I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. What's the matter? You seem to be lost in thought, I said. Nothing's wrong, believe me. Headache? Come, let's go and see a doctor. I have no headache. I am usual self. Usual self means same. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on, but I don't think that could be a reason for you, for your present condition. And then he tells Ranga कि he felt the same when he was choosing a girl. उसे कहता तुम्हारे साथ ऐसी situation तो है नहीं. Ranga stared at me. Ranga at once he looked fixedly at him. Come, let's go and see Shastri, I suggested. We'll find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not. So he suggested him to go there. These two are the planets. Ranga accompanied me without any protest, and Ranga went with him without any opposition. As soon as Shastri saw me, he exclaimed, "What a surprise, Shyama! Haven't seen you for a long time." और शास्त्री एकदम कहते हैं तुम्हें बहुत दिन से नहीं देखा. Shyama is none other than your servant, the narrator of this tale. I got angry and shouted, "Oh, what? Only this morning?" And Shyama forgot and he just said, "Arey, this morning." Shastri completed my sentence. "You finished all your work and are now free to visit me." At once Shastri intervened and he made up the point, aha, this morning only you finished your work and you came. Had he not done so, I would have ruined our plans by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. और वो कहते हैं कि अगर मैं वो ऐसा ना करते तो मेरा जो प्लान था वो सारा रुइन हो जाता, डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता, लाइक द ग्रेन्स जो सन में रख कर वो बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. Shastri turned to Ranga. When did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? What can I do for him? It's very rarely that he visits us. Take out your paraphernalia. Paraphernalia is objects and all. Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. वो कहते हैं अपनी चीज़ें आप निकालिए और हमारे रंगप्पा को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. Can you tell us what's worrying him? Shall we put your science of astrology to the test? There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri, and Shama said that there was some power in his voice. He took out 2 sheets of paper, some cowries. Cowries are the shells, and a book of Pamira, Bhojpatra जिसे कहते हैं. Sleeve saying, "Ours is an ancient science, Ayya. There is a story to it, but I won't tell you that story now." सो ही टेल्स श्यामा को कहता है हमारी भी एक साइंस है, हमारा भी एक एंशेंट साइंस चली आ रही है, उसने कुछ कावड़ी निकाली, कुछ भूतपत्र, वो मैं बाद में बताऊँगा. दिस इज़ नॉट अ हरी कथा विच अलाउज यू टू टेल अ स्टोरी विद इन अ स्टोरी. यू मे गेट बोर्ड, आई टेल इट टू यू सम अदर टाइम. वो कहता है ये कोई हरी कथा तो नहीं है, एक कहानी के अंदर दूसरी कहानी है. Shastri moved his lips fast as he counted on his fingers and then asked, "What's your star?" Ranga didn't know. Never mind. Shastri indicated with a shake of his head. He did some more calculations before saying in a serious tone, "It's about a girl." I had been controlling my laughter all this while, but now I burst out laughing. I turned to Ranga. Exactly what I had said. "Who is the girl?" It was your humble servant who asked the question. And then Shyam asked him, "Who is the girl?" Shastri thought for a while before replying. "She probably has the name of something found in the ocean. Kamla, maybe." And then Shastri also he says, उसका कोई नाम जो है किसी नाम पर है जो कि ओशन से मिलता है. Could it be पच्छी moss? Then he says, Shastri says, क्या ये कोई moss है? Must it be moss if it's not Kamla? Why not pearl or Ratna, the precious stone? Ratna, the girl in Ramarao's house is Ratna. Tell me, is there any chance of negotiations bearing fruit? And then Shama कहता है Ratna. Okay, the girl वो कहता है okay, Ramarao's niece is Ratna. Definitely, he said, after looking for some time. There was surprise on Ranga's face and some happiness. I noticed it. And then Shastri said, yes, there is something can be done. And after when Shastri gave this assurance, definitely कुछ हो सकता है. Negotiations means कुछ बात बन सकती है, conversation आगे बढ़ सकती है. He found some happiness on his face. And there was surprise. Okay, but that girl is married, I said. Then I turned to him. His face had fallen. And then Shama made fun of him. He said, but that girl is married. And then again his face went down. I don't know all that. There may be some other girl who is suitable. I only told you what our Shastra indicated, Shastri said. Shastri कहते हैं मुझे नहीं पता वो लड़की है या कोई और है, but मेरा शास्त्र ऐसे indicate कर रहा है. We left the place. On the way, we passed by Ramarao's house. Ratna was standing at the door. I went in alone and came out a minute later. Surprising. This girl isn't married. It seems. Someone told me the other day that she was. What Shastri told us has turned out to be true after all. But Rangappa, I can't believe that you have been thinking of her. And then he made a plan again. He goes into his house. वो बाहर के कहता है कि मुझे पता चला वो अनमैरिड है, और वो कहता है कि देखो कैसी शास्त्र की बात सही निकल आई है. एंड देन ही सेज, रंगप्पा, आई डोंट बिलीव दैट यू वर थिंकिंग ऑल अबाउट हर. स्वेयर ऑन द नेम ऑफ माधवचार्य. Madhavacharya is exponent of Vedantic philosophy from South India. He's a philosopher. And tell me, is it true that Shastri said? वो उनके नाम पे स्वेयर करके कहता है, बताओ क्या ये बात सही है? I don't know whether anyone else would have been direct. Ranga admitted. Ranga ने admit कर लिया. There is greater truth in that Shastra than we imagine. What he said is absolutely true. वो कहता है मुझे नहीं पता शास्त्र में सच्चाई है, बट ये सच है. Shastri was at the well where I went there that evening. Said, so Shastri Gael, you repeated everything I had taught you without giving rise to any suspicion. What a marvelous Shastri yours is. He didn't like it at all. And then he goes and makes fun of Shastri. वो कहता है कि देखो मैंने तो जो तुमने वही रिपीट किया जो मैंने तुम्हें बताया था, and without any doubt. और वो कहता है तुम्हारा शास्त्र भी अजीब है. He did not like. What are you saying? What you said to me was what I could have found myself from the Shastra. And Shastri एकदम कहते हैं जो तुमने कहा वो मैं अपने आप निकाल लेता. डोंट फॉरगेट आई डेवलप्ड ऑल द हिंट्स यू हैड गिवन मी. टेल मी, इज दिस व्हाट अ डिसेंट मैन सेज? एंड कहता है कि ये बताओ कि एक डिसेंट मैन को ऐसा कहना चाहिए. रंगप्पा हैड कम द अदर डे टू इन्वाइट मी फॉर डिनर. व्हाट्स द ओकेजन, आई सेड, एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स रंगप्पा केम टू इन्वाइट हिम. इट्स श्यामा's birthday. He's 3. It's not a nice name, Shyama, I said. I am like a dark piece of oil cake. Why did you have to keep that golden child of yours such a name? And now we see that Rangappa and Ratna are married and they've got a son, and he has kept his name Shyama. तो श्यामा उसे कहते हैं बड़े ही हम्बली कि तुमने उसका नाम मेरे ऊपर क्यों रखा, मैं तो इतना काला हूँ. जैसे ऑयल केक्स होते हैं. ऑयल केक्स इज़ एक्चुअली पुराना सा होता है, खल जिसे बोलते हैं, ओके, जो कि मस्टर्ड से बनती है, मस्टर्ड सीड से. Why did you have to go? Acha, what a childish couple you are, Ratna and you. I know. It is the English custom of naming the child after someone you like. And then he says, acha, ये English custom है. You have named the child after someone you like. Your wife is 8 months pregnant now. Who is there to help your mother to cook? My sister has come with her. And his wife is again pregnant, and then he says his sister has come to help her. I went there for dinner. Shyama rushed to me when I walked in and put his arms around my legs. I kissed him on his cheek and I placed a ring on his tiny little finger. Allow me to take leave of you, reader. I'm always here, ready to serve you. You were not bored, I hope. And this is all Shyama, the narrator, had to say, that we were not bored, and he narrated a good story of Ranga's marriage. I hope you understood it. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you.